Okay, so get ready, because today we're going deep into a place where science fiction and reality kind of get blurry.
Yeah.
We're talking about Google's Willow Chip.
Hmm.
It's a quantum computer that's so powerful. Some people are saying that it could actually help us unlock the secrets of the multiverse.
Oh, it's really an amazing development.
Yeah.
We're talking about a chip that can do calculations in minutes that our most advanced supercomputers would take billions of years to do.
Wow.
And, it's this incredible speed that's kind of sparking all this speculation about Willow's potential to reach into realms beyond our universe.
That's right. And I think to really understand how big this is, we have to first understand what makes quantum computing so different.
Right.
It's not just about processing information faster.
Right.
It's a totally different way of thinking about it.
Yeah.
Imagine using the laws of quantum mechanics to
Yeah.
solve problems that regular computers can't even touch,
Exactly.
even the most powerful ones.
So the main difference is how quantum computers handle information. Instead of bits, the zeros and ones,
Yeah.
they use qubits.
Go on.
And these qubits can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. It's
Okay.
called superposition. And on top of that, there's this thing called entanglement, where qubits are connected and they can affect each other instantly no matter how far apart they are.
That's wild.
Yeah. So basically, quantum computers can tackle problems in a completely different way.
So it's not just speed, it's like a
Yeah.
whole new level of computing power.
Exactly.
And that leads us to the multiverse.
Uh-huh.
This idea that our universe is just one of many.
Right. And some physicists, like David Deutsch, think that quantum computers like Willow might be actually interacting with these other universes to do these amazing calculations.
Really?
Yeah, he says that the multiverse isn't just some made-up idea. It's a core part of how quantum mechanics works.
Okay, I gotta say, the idea of a bunch of universes existing next to ours is pretty wild.
Yeah.
It sounds like it's straight out of a movie.
Well, it definitely stretches the imagination. Deutsch's interpretation says that every time we measure something in quantum mechanics, every possible result actually happens,
Oh, wow.
but in different universes that split off.
So you're saying, like, there could be tons of versions of me out there, each one living a different life.
That's one way to think about it.
Wow.
Of course, this is all theoretical. We don't have actual proof of these other universes.
Right.
But the way quantum mechanics works and the power of these computers like Willow really makes you wonder about what's real and what's not.
Yeah, it definitely brings up some really deep questions.
Definitely.
Like, if there are multiple universes out there, does that mean there's infinite versions of ourselves?
Right.
And what does that even mean for consciousness and why we exist in this particular universe?
These are the questions that philosophers and scientists have been trying to answer for a long time.
Yeah.
And while we don't have all the answers yet, quantum computing and the multiverse theory are pushing us to face these mysteries in new and exciting ways.
It's crazy to think about all these possibilities. But before we get too lost in the mind-blowing stuff, let's come back down to Earth for a second.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay.
So, while the multiverse might seem like this far-out idea,
Yeah.
the technology behind it all,
Right.
the Willow Chip,
Yeah.
it's actually making a real difference right now.
That's true. It's easy to get caught up in all the talk about parallel universes.
Yeah.
But Willow has some pretty amazing potential uses right here in our own universe.
Oh, definitely.
It could change everything.
One big area is medicine.
Yep.
Imagine being able to simulate really complex biological processes at a tiny level, like the molecules.
Wow.
We could design drugs that are super precise. We could create personalized treatments for each patient.
Wow.
And maybe even cure diseases that seem impossible to cure now.
That would be incredible.
It would.
It sounds like we could be talking about a future where diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's don't even exist anymore.
It could definitely happen. And quantum computers like Willow could also revolutionize material science.
How so?
We could create totally new materials with incredible strength, conductivity, durability.
Wow.
Think about lighter, more efficient batteries for electric cars. Or
man.
building materials that can handle crazy temperatures and weather.
That would be amazing.
And of course, we can't forget about AI.
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
I mean, AI is already doing some pretty incredible things.
It is.
But with quantum computing, the possibilities are just mind-blowing.
Oh, absolutely. AI could become so much more powerful.
Yeah.
Able to process huge amounts of data
Right.
and find patterns that humans could never see.
Wow.
This could lead to breakthroughs in everything from climate modeling to figuring out what's going to happen in the financial markets. It could even help us understand the universe in ways we never thought possible.
It's wild to think that AI might be able to solve the mysteries of the universe that we've been struggling with for so long.
Yeah, but with that kind of power comes a responsibility to make sure this technology is used for good.
That's a really good point. All this power.
Right.
We need to be careful.
Exactly. As we move into this unknown territory, we have to think about the ethical side of things, along with all the scientific advancements.
Right.
We need to ask some tough questions about what happens if we create AI that's actually smarter than humans in certain ways.
It's like all those sci-fi stories where AI becomes self-aware and decides humans aren't needed anymore.
Right.
I know it's a common theme, but it does make you think about what could go wrong.
It's important to have these conversations now while the technology is still developing.
Right.
We need to put safeguards in place.
Yeah.
Ethical rules to make sure AI always aligns with human values and goals.
I totally agree. This is a responsibility for all of us.
Right.
Scientists, policymakers, everyday people like us.
Everyone needs to be involved.
To make sure these powerful tools are used for good.
Exactly the future of AI, quantum computing, maybe even the multiverse. It's not set in stone. We're creating it right now with the choices we make.
It's a powerful thought.
It is.
It's both exciting and a little scary to think about the power we have.
I know.
As we keep exploring all these possibilities.
Yeah.
We have to approach it with a sense of wonder, curiosity,
Right.
and a lot of respect for how it could impact humanity and our planet.
Wow. It's amazing to think about everything we've talked about in this deep dive, from quantum computing to the multiverse, and now how it could all actually affect our future.
It really shows how everything is connected. You know, like one big leap in technology can impact physics, philosophy, ethics, even what it means to be human.
You know what really gets me is how this tiny little chip, the Willow Chip, could help us answer these huge questions about reality and where we fit in. It's like we're holding a key to a door we never even knew was there.
That's a great way to put it. And as we unlock that door, as we push the limits of quantum computing and explore the multiverse, who knows what we'll find waiting for us. Maybe we'll discover new laws of physics, or come across new dimensions of reality, or even meet other intelligent beings in those parallel universes.
The possibilities are incredible. It's a future that could be full of amazing discoveries, technologies that make our lives better in ways we can't even imagine, and a much deeper understanding of our place in the universe.
But like we said, it's also a future that we need to be careful with. We have to make sure these powerful technologies are used ethically and for the good of all humanity.
Absolutely. We need to have open and honest discussions about the good and the bad, and include people from all walks of life, scientists, ethicists, philosophers, everyone.
Because at the end of the day, the future isn't something that just happens to us. We create it with the choices we make today.
That's so true. This deep dive into the Willow Chip and the multiverse has really made us think. It reminds us that we're living in a time of incredible scientific discoveries, and the questions we're asking now could change how we understand ourselves and the universe for generations to come.
To everyone listening, we encourage you to keep learning about these fascinating topics. Think about what this technology means, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
And remember, the universe is full of mysteries, and the search for knowledge never really ends. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive. We hope it's made you curious and left you with a sense of wonder about what the future holds. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the amazing and thought-provoking corners of our universe. Until next time, keep diving deep.